Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifa Fatima. I am studying first class. My school name is Madrasa Bedul Salam. My principal name is Alima Azima Siddiqa Baji. My class teacher name is Zahida teacher. Surah के name Surah number 1 Suratul Fatiha, Surah number 2 Suratul Baqarah, Surah number 3 Suratul Al Imran, Surah number 4 Suratul Nisa, Surah number 5 Suratul Ma'idah, Surah number 6 Suratul Anam, Surah number 7 Suratul Anfal, Surah number 8 Suratul Surah number 9 Suratul Tauba, Surah number 10 Suratul Yunus. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.